Hello boys and girls, today is whatever day it shows up on the screen there. It's about the 24th, Monday and all like that. Okay, so, and this is about my KLR650. My brother's here, we're going to do the doohickey. And I've bought this 100 years ago, I don't know, 4 years ago, whatever. It's SW Motech center stand, and I've came in this box. I'm sure you can see that, but it says, you know, right there on the box, right there, like that. So, okay, so I get into it, and like that, and just, I like to video everything I open. So, okay, so this is center stand, so it comes with all this stuff. Right, so there's that. You got the invoice, packing slip. SW Tech Center Stand 2008 KLR650. 21 June 16. Well, here I can just. This doesn't. Oops, where's the remote go? Okay. Let me just zip into that so I can show you that, so you can see that. All right. So there. So that's what we got. All right. So zip back out. There's the packing slip for those that are interested. I've never got one of these before, so there it is. So much for that. So now, still got more stuff, and all that for this. That's funny looking. Okay, so it's a, again, it's a, this is, here, I'll just zip in, wait, you get the box out of the way, we don't need that. Put this stuff back in, because I'm out here in the garage. So here's that. Then, so now once again we'll zip in. Alright, so zip, 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 zip. It's a good zoom, right? That's too close. Are you having fun? Where's the barcode thing? There is the barcode. So you should be able to see that. So now let's just get to it. Let's zoom back out. Everybody likes a good zoom, right? So, okay. The camera's about 5-6 feet away. And on a tripod, of course, obviously. Alright, so, oh God, it's hot out here. It's, let's see here. Well, there's no good way of. Well, this is well packaged. Okay, well, I think I don't even remember who I bought this thing from. I think I got it from maybe somebody on eBay that was selling this. I'm not sure. God, maybe I should have brought a knife. Okay. Well, all right. Let's try a knife. I've got a you know, a pair of these, right? So. Got a good sharp knife in here somewhere. Is this it? Yeah, that's the really sharp knife. Careful that you don't cut yourself with that. Alright, so, oh yeah, knife through butter. There we go. So, yeah. Alright, I like making videos so that I can, you know, not forget something or something. Oh wow. Alright, so well, I guess I need to use a knife some more. So always cut away from you. That way you can't slip and hurt yourself. Okay, so here's that. Alright, so gosh darn it. Okay, so now we got that little thing that goes over there. And we've got some taped up doohickeys. This is no clue. We'll get to that in a moment. There's another something. Okay. And here's the main part. Okay, I'm just getting sweat on my glasses here. That's not going to work. I have to put glasses somewhere. Just don't get those. Okay, so here is the, wow, just, there's that. Okay, and let's see here, so that's it. So do it than that. Okay, so here's there's a big foot thing there. So, okay, so it goes somewhere on the bike. I'm not real sure. Where'd the remote go? Here it is. Here's the remote. So, let's see here. Just zip into that. So there. That's what it looks like this way. And it's got look like, I guess, a big thing to hit your foot on it to get it out. And there's the back, and looks like this and all that. So. Not real sure how it works, but okay, so we got this and that there. What's in this bag? Looks like instructions, so let's go with the scissors. There's the scissors. And we got it's like a package of some sort. And it's, okay, so well, okay. It's taped up inside the bag. Well, it's attached to the bag. Come on now. Well, yeah, there's some instructions, I guess. So then, alright, so yeah, we got a, oh wow. There's a couple of springs, one inside the other. I guess that has to do with holding it up or something. Here's a nut or a bolt, I mean. And we got a variety of little pieces here, no telling. And just a bag of nuts and washers, okay? And, gosh, what is this? Okay, I need my glasses again to see this. This is a 10.9 nut. Okay, a 10.9 nut. Let's see. I guess they're all 10.9, but okay, so I got, this is maybe not all of them, but oh, these are 8. Wait, those are 8.8, and this is 10. Damn, 10.9, 10.9. 8.8 and 8.8, okay. So 2 at 10.9, 2 8.8, and some other, I don't know what that is, but there it is. Maybe that's a spring holder, I'm not sure. But so there's 4 nuts, knock that. What's in this thing here? And this thing here is more, I don't know. So we got some bracket pieces. So here's a, wow, that's like 3/8 inch thick. I'm not sure what that does, but there's one of those. And then here's I guess another one. Alright, so, great, so there's the other one. So there's 2 of these things, which are identical and pretty substantial, and the bolts go through them, I guess, and that's all I know. So anyway, so there's that, the instructions, some nuts and bolts and like that. And I got it all captured in the video, and then of course I want to spray paint this whole thing fluorescent green, because that's what I wanted to do, is paint these things so I can see them a little bit better. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's it. I'm just paint the black things green to match the bike. Okay, so then also another thing I bought while I'm at it. So here, let's keep all this together in the bag. Keep that in the bag, in the bag, in the bag, that. And so there's this. Now I'll just set that over there. Then, while I'm here, I also bought a set of torque wrenches, because I know you have to torque everything properly. So let me zip out. Let's see here. zip out. So here's a box of torque wrenches I bought also off of eBay. I think I paid $50 maybe for 3 sets, so there should be one of each kind. There should be a 1/4 inch, a 1/4 inch, and a 3/8, a I don't know. So yeah, so here they are. Never opened. There's the special offers. Harbor Freight Tools. Ha! I guess they're Harbor Freights. Okay, well these are, yeah, so here's a, what's this thing? 1/4 inch drive. Okay, so here's a 1/4 inch drive. And then here's a 3/8 drive. Okay. And then here's a 1/2 inch drive. So we got a 1/2 inch, a 3/8, and a 1/4 inch. Okay. What else is in the box here? We got some more worthless that. We've got some. Oh golly. We've got. Oh here, let me zoom in for this. All right, so here's. So zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. All right, that's okay. So yeah, put it up here and then zooming in. So there. There's. That's a good zoom. All right, so zoom back out. I've had too much fun here. So wait, where does it say on there? Okay, so see my finger. That's the that's the 1/4 inch, and then let's see here, and then there's the 3/8, and then over here is the 1/2 inch. Okay, and then we got a little. I don't know what the hell this is about. I don't drink wine, but this little voucher thing came in here, and you fill it out, and who knows. So anyway, I've had too much fun. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to go paint the bracket, like I said, with some of this stuff, okay, and you know, so I can be seen and, or you know, for what it's worth. So that's all I know. Good day, bye. Hope you enjoyed. I've had too much fun. I gotta get to work. Thanks for watching. And bye-bye. Well, here, let me just take the camera off the thing. All right, so let's see here. How much of the camera? How much of this can I show you? Let's see. So, yeah. So there's that. And over there in that box behind the fertilizer and all that is the crash bars from Nomad. And then over here and around the corner and all that is the bike we're going to do the doohickey on later. So I'll just show you that. Okay, let's get the mileage on this one. That's what it's do. There's the mileage. Okay, so it's got that many miles on it. It's a 2015 KLR green. It's got that many miles on it. Okay, and that's all I know. So good day, bye. It's been 13 minutes. Hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna have some fun here. We're gonna do the doohickey. Woohoo! All right. Good day, bye. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah. One last little thing. My brother made me a heel and toe shifter. So there it is for my no having left foot toes due to losing my toes to diabetes in January this year. So he made me that thing. Okay. So I'll be 14 minutes. Good day, bye. Hope you enjoyed. I did. Bye bye.